Right, it's time to ditch the bathroom magazines and go hands-free with your bathroom entertainment experience. So let's get into it today, and I'll show you what you can do with the Apple Vision Pro in your bathroom. Keeping in mind, of course, that this is family content. All right, in today's conversation, we're becoming a pretty sensitive topic for some of you, and that is taking your bathroom entertainment experience to the next level. With the Apple Vision Pro, of course. I don't want to attract the wrong people to this video, probably with the title I have already. So this is about changing up your bathroom reading or phone use or tablet use, changing it up for something better, and that's the Apple Vision Pro headset. You can do actually a lot more. You can watch a movie, you can play an arcade game, you can use any of your legacy iPhone or iPad apps. All of this can be done hands-free, which if you're a germaphobe and you're in the bathroom, that's something that will concern you. Now, according to a bidet company's research, which is a little questionable because they're biased, but 44% of Americans spend more than an hour in the bathroom a day. That's a lot of time spent in there. Now, I went on a plant-based diet a few years ago, and I don't spend a lot of time in the bathroom, so this really isn't something for me, but I do want to share that this is actually a good use of the AVP, of the Apple Vision Pro headset, if you have one, and it's totally okay to use it in there. All you have to do is make sure that you're securing the battery somewhere, stick it in a pocket, somewhere it's not going to bang on the floor. It's pretty heavy, so it could actually, has the potential to crack a tile. And then you put the headset on before you go in. I would suggest putting the transparency to at least semi-transparent, and that way, when you're done with your business, whatever your bathroom routine is, you can do that without an obstructed view. We don't need anything dropping in the toilet other than what belongs in there. And so that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. So let's get started. I'll show you how it works in there and that it's possible. All right, let's get into it. So let's start outside the bathroom where I'm going to prep a movie as though I had started watching and then I'm going in. I'll bring up Star Wars as a good example in Disney Plus. And then what you'll see is I get it loaded up. And then as I move into the bathroom, the movie screen actually gets in the way of me walking. So here I am as I start walking in. Let's first stretch it out, make it a little bigger. And as I'm walking in, now I'm actually breaking through the screen. And it feels like, the way you're looking at it as though you're going to hit it, and then you walk through it and it disappears because it's still back in the other room. So then as I back out, I see it again. So the best option is either to get it loaded up in the bathroom or pinch and drag it in as I'm doing here. And then you can throw the display up to wherever you want. Here, I'll close the door, although it doesn't matter because the door's not in the way, especially as I change the environment. Now I'm going to have a semi-transparent, which is a better option so that you still have some visibility through it. So this might be a little too immersive. And here we go. Let's get it loaded up again. But let's change the environment to make it more like a theater. And so this is one of the Disney Plus environments. This is the theater, which I think is this is a pretty cool one because it as you look around, you can see everything as though you are in a theater. And then as the movie plays, it switches to a dark environment as though the movie would be playing, and everything gets dark. And there I've switched to 100% immersive. So, is it immersive or immersion? Well, anyway, as I look around 360 degrees, all I can see is the Disney theater, but of course I can always see my hands. And it's amazing because here I am actually in and it's a pretty small bathroom, at least for the toilet. And you wouldn't know it. And you're actually likely to bump things because it feels more spacious than it is. So now it's not going to show you, as I've shown before, when you're recording, it will not show the actual movie playing for copyright reasons. Let's move back out of the bathroom, and this is what happens when you leave the screen up. So I've left it up in a certain position in the bathroom, and then as I go back into the bathroom, there it is waiting. It's in the same orientation. So as I sit down and start adjusting the picture, of course I could make it a little bigger here, but for now let's leave it. I dial up the immersiveness, whatever you want to call it, and that is the native environment of one of the national parks at night. And again, those environments are also ultra realistic. You know, the rocks, the clouds, this night sky. So let's get back to the Disney theater. And you can see I've changed the level of immersion here, immersiveness, whatever. And it's semi-transparent, so if you want to see around you, you could see things, toilet paper, light switches. And then looking around, just the level of detail is incredible. So I'll start playing again. And if I can get to, there it is. It's going to go dark again, just like in a theater. And of course, here's more detail. Even the projector shows moving images. The illumination from the Disney lights illuminating the top of the theater. Just incredible realism. And then as I reach around, of course, there's the toilet paper roll that I'm hitting, although I can't see it. So that's where you'd want that level of immersion to be dialed back. And that's it for the Disney theater. So what's next? Time to flush. Yep. So as you get out of that, see, this is what you see through the headset. If you have the app closed, you can see everything that, let's face it, you need to see. And you just want to make sure that you're not going to drop anything in the toilet, because that's an expensive mistake. It's not like dropping a phone in there. I think it's important to show this last step, that if you're not doing, you should be. 20 seconds of washing your hands. I'll speed this up a little. But you can see, I've changed the level of immersion so that it's enough so that you could actually see what's in the headset, but you can also see what you're doing in front of you, including washing your hands. Some people are talking about preparing food with this. I wouldn't go that far, but it's great for basic tasks. So that's it, and thanks for watching. That is how you turn your bathroom reading into a next level experience. So don't forget to like and subscribe and follow my journey with the Apple Vision Pro. Thanks for watching.